Hello everyone, this is Helen. Today we are gonna make quinoa meatballs. First we need to soak the quinoa to let it expand. We need to soak it for at least 2 hours. If you are in a rush, you can put it in the microwave for a couple of minutes. This will speed up the soaking process. Here I have about 10.5 ounces of beef. Use a meat grinder and grind it up. About half an onion I quartered. Then I crack an egg. Then I add some spices. The specific amount is showing on the screen. I also add some carrots, some light soy sauce, some oyster sauce, and 3 cherry tomatoes that I halved. A little bit of black pepper, then grind up everything together. The texture is like this. It's not too fine, you can still see some little pieces. Next, use chopsticks to stir in one direction very quickly. This can help all the ingredients combine very well. Cover and set aside for a few minutes. Now we need to boil some water in a large pot. We're going to steam the quinoa meatballs later. Now our quinoa is expanded and soaked ready. Use a drainer to drain the quinoa. Make sure drain all the water out. Transfer into a bowl, then we can use later. I'm using bamboo steamer basket today. You can use any kind of steamer. I line a parchment paper inside. Make cleaning up easier later. Now we're gonna make the meatballs. Grab some of the mixture. Toss like this to shape it. Then roll in the soaked quinoa. Make an even coating on the surface. Repeat the process and make more meatballs. My little steamer basket can hold 7 meatballs. Each is about 1.5 inches. I still have quite some mixture left I'm gonna make for the second basket. You can also roll in your hands like this. With all the ingredients, I've made 14 meatballs. I still have some quinoa left. I'm not going to waste. Stack the steamer baskets like this. And put an empty basket on top for the leftover quinoa. Then put the leftover quinoa in and steam together. Now the water is boiling. I need to use this steamer ring. And then put the stack of steamer baskets on. Adjust a little bit, make sure it's centered. Now I have to make it vertical to show you how tall it is. Set the timer for 25 minutes and walk away. By the way, I steam on medium heat. After 25 minutes, let's check it out. I can see it's down. The quinoa has expanded more, and everything was ground up. It doesn't take long to steam. If you are using bamboo steamer baskets like I am, you can enjoy right away in the baskets. Or transfer into a plate. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. I'll see you in the next video.